Hello, dear students and dear parents. This is Serene. You can call me Teacher S. Teacher S is a compassionate, passionate, enthusiastic, creative, and very lovable teacher. I've been teaching in China for more than 5 years now, and I am going to be your teacher. Thank you very much.
My name is S. What's your name?
My name is Ray.
What's your name?
My name is Andy.
What's your name?
My name is Harry.
What's your name?
My name is
Now let's see. Huh?
My name is Andy.
Andy, good. Let's go faster. Hey, I didn't say popcorn. Fuck, I didn't say popcorn. If I say popcorn, good. Yeah, if I say popcorn, then you stop. But now I didn't say popcorn. Let's go. Ready? Let's go. What's your name? 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 My name is S.
My name is Ray. My name is
Yes.
Yes.
I like swings. Go, go. Ready? Let's go. Walking, 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 walking. Hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now then, stop. Okay, thank you, thank you.